Welcome. Let's start with our main goal, sending mass emails. With InvestGlass, this process is as smooth and convenient as it gets. Just imagine connecting with your audience at a push of a button. Moving on, setting up your InvestGlass email credentials is quite straightforward. It's like setting up a regular email. InvestGlass can be connected to your Microsoft server, MS 365 or Gmail. You can set the credentials as from the communication page. You can also set up individual members' credentials email elements. This access could be restricted to master user only. If you don't have access, don't panic and ask your team lead. What's next? First, signature setup. Customize your email signature with personal details and branding in a few clicks for a lasting professional impression. 2. General email disclaimer. Easily add a legal disclaimer to your emails for risk mitigation and confidentiality. 3. Template creation. Save time with pre-designed templates for consistent and quick responses to common inquiries. And finally, signature snippet. Use our drag and drop feature to effortlessly insert your signature into emails. If you don't put it, individual employee's signature will not show up. This can be useful if you are sending newsletter, but not for individual communication. You're now ready or set up to use InvestGlass mass emailing system. You can select contacts based on their preferences. Here we are using the tagging system. Then I will select contacts individually. It is also possible to select them all from the select button in the navigation menu. Right, select all. Then I will click on Actions and find Send Message. Send Message will pop up a box where I can see my contacts with existing emails. I now have the option to input myself a message in the body of the email. But here I will look for a template. I can double-check the preview to make sure that the message will be perfectly fitted, including the variables that I might inject into this body. Then I will decide when I want to send this message. You can use the scheduler to send messages later on given day or given frequency. I'll give them time. You should be using this feature to make sure that when you are sending hundreds of emails, you will not fall into spam boxes. We can't wait to see you in Days in London. InvestGlass is hitting the stage at Finovate London. Imagine, this is the perfect opportunity for you to witness our unparalleled efficiency firsthand. So what are you waiting for? Dive in, embrace the future, and make InvestGlass your go-to tool. Don't miss out on this chance to revolutionize the way you work.